You can join the army at 16. You can get a job at 16. You have to pay tax at 16. Yet you can't vote in elections. Should the voting age be lowered to 16? The Presiding Officer of the National Assembly for Wales, Dame Rosemary Butler AM, wants to hear what you think.
When I've spoken to young people, they say they don't understand the issues. Well, we are now giving them a process of understanding the issues, understanding what it does mean. I mean, if they can work at 16 and pay tax, they can join the army, they can get married at 16. I'm quite sure they're competent enough to be able to vote. But it's not for me to say, it's for the young people themselves. And we're now having this 6-month consultation, and I hope that thousands of young people across Wales will take part, and we'll see what happens.
Dame Rosemary is committed to making sure that young people in Wales have a say in how their country is run. Towards the end of 2013, she held a consultation to ask 11 to 18-year-olds in Wales how they think we can better engage with them in the work of the Assembly. The Your Assembly, Your Say, Your Way consultation ran from 18th of September to 13th of November 2013. We travelled the length and breadth of Wales to speak to young people in their communities. We also gathered views on Facebook and Twitter, and through our dedicated microsite, www.yourassembly.org. Since we held the consultation, we have been making changes to make it easier for young people to have their say and be involved in the work of the Assembly. One of the things we want to do next is hold a national conversation with young people in Wales on the topic of lowering the voting age to 16.
It's important that everyone's heard, so if you feel mature enough and like you have the responsibility to actually do something about how you feel, then I think it's important that you actually do. Like, you can vote. You don't have to, but I think you should be able to if you want to.
We get to go into the military at 16. If we can fight for our country, I think we have the right to vote.
It'd be a good idea to lower it, because I think the 16-year-olds, they're just growing up, going into GCSEs and then they got to do A-levels. I think they're going to worry more about, and there's so much pressure on a 16-year-old already that I don't think voting would be appropriate at that age.
What do you think?